Good evening, everyone. What's up? Just ate a satisfying meal and topped it off with a meaty dessert. This is Mr. Hata speaking. Previously, there was a review on Hershey's Nuggets. Today's the 238th review, and today's review is on a granola bar. Nature Valley Crunchy Cinnamon Granola Bars. Right here. These are hard to find. These were at the store called Meyer, a grocery store. These are 1.5 ounces, 42 grams, 180 calories per 2 bars, 16 grams of whole grain. Sodium nutrition. 2 bars has 180 calories, 60 calories of fat, 6 grams of fat, 10%, 0.5 grams of saturated fat, 3%, 170 milligrams of sodium, 7%, 29 grams of carbs, 10%, 2 grams of fiber, 8%, 12 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, and 4% iron. So here are the nutrition facts. The ingredients: whole grain oats, sugar, canola oil, yellow corn flour, brown sugar syrup, soy flour, salt, cinnamon, soy lecithin, baking soda. Contains soy. Here. Alright, let's go give this a taste then. Here's what they look like. They smell like cinnamon. They have a nice sweet cinnamon flavor, so let's give these a taste, shall we? Look at it one last time. Mm. Not bad. They have an okay cinnamon flavor, but it's just okay. It's not weak or strong, so it's in the middle. Overall, these are sweet, flavorsome, and crunchy, with a nice touch of cinnamon to these crunchy granola bars. These are addictive when one's hungry. Overall, these get a 10 out of 10. That's all there is to say for this review. See ya on the 239th or 208th review. Good night.